Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you a brand new trade-in that we just got. It's a Grady-White 2020 336 Canyon. It's a really cool boat. It's a great offshore boat when you can see the flare on the bow. It's meant to go offshore, so it will handle that very, very well. It's powered by the Yamaha 425 V8s. Great motors as well, so let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 336 Canyon. Let's start at the back. You've got the 425 V8 Yamaha engines, the beautiful blue color on them, really, really sharp. You got an extremely large fish box. So it's just, you know, you got plenty of room. This is one of many, but it's conveniently located at the back of the boat. You've got a fold-down seat. So you're going for a ride, no problem. Sitting, 3 adults comfortably here. Folds up if you're fishing. Turns into a leaning post, which is really nice. Got a little small cooler in the back, keeping beverages and things cold right there. And then we spin around. You've got the dive door, very convenient for a lot of reasons. Easy to get on and off the boat. And then as far as when you're catching a fish and you're trying to bring them over the gunnel, a lot of times you lose the fish because all the weight is out of the water. Versus here, half of the fish is still in the water. You just drag them into the fish box. Have a nice day on that. So that's pretty cool. So live well station here. You got 2 of them. So really nice setup. You got your cutting board here as well. Plenty of rod holders on that. Drawers for storage. So I move to the helm. Set up very, very nicely. So you've got everything you're going to need here as far as controlling the boat. You do have the joystick, which is nice. Trim tabs. You got a bow thruster on this boat, which is, you know, comes in real handy if you got a tough situation getting the bow in. It'll take care of it nicely there for you. Great visibility on this as well. So let's move over to the head/cabin. So it's got the vacuum flush head on it, which is very, very nice. Your control panels in there. And then you also have rod holder storage. And then you also got it turns into a bed down there. So it's either really good storage or it will turn into a bed if you get stuck and you need to sleep on the boat. Overnight, you can sleep down there actually pretty comfortable. So really nice setup for a boat this size. Okay, let's move to the bow of the boat. You've got really comfy seats here, so you can put 2 or 3 adults here. Nice high backrest on it, grab bars, drink holders. You do have cushions that completely fill here and backrest to go with it. So if you're out and if you're not fishing and you're just going for a ride, you can have the cushions all out. You get the backrest here. If you're fishing, it just conveniently folds away, out of the way for you. And now you could all of this for a fishing platform. So plenty of, and you got a section in the middle which carries you through as far as walking around. Stereo speakers. And then you've got the windlass. Recessed is always a good thing on a fishing boat because you can still, if you have to get up a fish, you can get up here and really no obstructions on here. Recessed cleats. You do have 2 poles that go in here, so you have a sun top that will give you shade. It doesn't block rain or anything like that, but it cuts out about 50% of the sunlight. So that's with the sun top, and it goes up in a couple of minutes. So it's pretty cool. You've got outriggers on the boat. I mean, it's just set up for, this is a fishing boat, and it'll take you pretty much anywhere you want to go. So if you have any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.